The bill's sponsor tells me the intent is to jumpstart the conversation about new ways to generate money for the state's priorities.
Every time it rains, pennies from heaven.
It's not quite pennies from heaven, but for some, the revenue generated, some $3 billion, would be a godsend.
I wanted to get an option on the table that in one bill might solve, not solve, but heavily reduce the blueprint funding obligations and come up with a real source for that.
House Majority Leader Delegate David Moon is sponsoring legislation to reduce the state's sales tax from 6% to 5%. But the 5% rate would then be extended to cover 10 categories of services that are currently not taxed. Those services include accounting, childcare, gym memberships, home repair, landscaping, dry cleaning, barber and salon care, and advertising. The Maryland Chamber of Commerce, along with a coalition of businesses, opposed the measure.
It is a $3 billion tax increase on consumers and all businesses, and it disproportionately affects small businesses. Because anytime a small business would need to hire an accountant or legal services, it would add 5% to that.
A portion of the revenue generated would help pay for education. Some of the proceeds would help replenish the Transportation Trust Fund. The money would help balance the state budget. Public reaction is mixed.
Adding a sales tax to that would be really, really substantial, and I would imagine it would feel like a much greater hit for residents to be paying taxes on the services they're not paying taxes for today.
I don't think it's going to break the bank for many people.
Across the board, I don't think it's fair. If you look at some of the things listed, they're a much higher dollar value, and so you're going to collect more taxes on those items.
The Maryland Chamber says the state has a spending problem.
Unfortunately, it's small businesses and our consumers and citizens of Maryland that end up having to pay for very irresponsible decisions.
The bill's sponsor says he's putting another option on the table, and if adjustments need to be made, he's fine with that. However, the Senate is signaling they're not going to consider the bill this session. Reporting from Annapolis, David Collins, WBIL TV 11 News.